everyone, I am here with a flip through of our Bursts of Beauty journal. This is an envelope journal, and this is a 9 by 12 envelope. I've left the flap open so we could have a wraparound here with the closure. It is a seam binding closure. I've just attached a couple of charms at the end. It's attached to the flap here with two eyelets. The kit I've used is Bursts of Beauty by Calico Collage, and this is a great kit. All of the papers in here are from the kit with the exception of the coffee dye and the grid paper, ledger paper, etc. I do have a garden book page, but the rest are all from Calico Collage. I've just put one of the background pages for the front and back cover. I left the envelope intact. I didn't wrap it all the way around. I've just put another background page as the inside cover. I've printed out an extra one and made some ghost pockets here. I've got a couple of tall tags I cut from, this is the same background paper as this page. Some journal cards that came with the kit. This is a garden book, coffee dyed paper, a little tuck that came with the kit, journal and tag also that were included, and I also purchased not only the digital journal kit but the planner kit, and so I believe this page is from one of the planners, is from the planner kit. Got some graph paper, more coffee dyed paper. We've got a belly band with just some crochet lace. Got an envelope. Attached some crochet lace to the bottom of that. Another page from the planner. Dictionary page. Coffee dyed paper. I've used one of the cutouts from the kit for just a simple tuck with a journal card and a small tag. Beautiful, bright, bold images. They named it appropriately. There's another page with coffee dyed paper. I've used one of the smaller journal cards for a little tuck spot and added a larger journal card that I cut from a background page, and another tag that I cut. Here's a piece of vellum that we made from one of the background pages. I've got a small letter size envelope that I've just added to the signature. There's a larger envelope that I've trimmed. Inside this envelope I've got a couple of journaling pages. Well, I'll put those in a minute. And another one of the planner pages, piece of masking paper. Here's one of the tags that came with the ephemera page. I believe this is also from the planner kit. Larger number 10 envelope with a journal card. These images were cutouts from the original journal kit. One of the pages that I printed out for the ghost pockets, I used the extra to make these little corner pockets. And there's a journal card, a couple small tags. This is from I believe this is from the planner kit as well. There were quite a few that I was able to use from the journal kit, or I'm sorry, the planner kit. I've got a doily with one of the cutouts from the ephemera. I've used a piece of the ephemera here just as a top tuck. Got a tag and a ticket. Another one of the beautiful pages. Got the ledger sheet. Here's our coffee dyed paper. I have a altered paper clip here. use that for a tuck. And here's our center with this beautiful image. So I've got another altered ticket here, altered paperclip with a journal card, ledger paper. Here's another one of the pieces of ephemera that I've just made into a tuck. I've added a small tag and a few tickets that were in the ephemera. Another cutout. That other corner pocket with just some tags up there, another journal card. That other side of that, number 10. Another medium tag. Whenever I don't find enough ephemera, I just print out some extra background pages and cut them into extra tags or envelopes or whatever, and that's what I've done here. This is just a journal spot, small journal card, another small journal card that I turned into a tuck with a larger journal card and medium tag. That's the other side of that vellum piece. Another side tuck with small tag and journal card. Dictionary page. I've got a small envelope here. Actually, that can go inside there now. I had it out there to dry. And the horizontal belly band. The other side of that graph paper. Another planner page. That tuck with the larger tag and journal card. The other side of the garden book page and the last of that page. And then I've got in the back pocket the other ghost pocket here with a large tag and a medium-sized journal card. And then in this pocket here we've got some coffee dyed paper. So, and then the closure just wraps around a couple of times like so, and then the charms can be tucked in. So there you go. That's our Bursts of Beauty journal. And if you're interested in this, could you let me know through my Etsy shop communication? I'm not going to be listing any of these until after my Christmas boutique that I have coming up. But if you're interested in something and you want it, I want you to have it. So just let me know, and then I'll put it up for you specifically as a reserve. So anyway, I will leave all the information below with the links, etc. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.